What's up guys, and welcome to the 7th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial it's all about if-else statements. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, cd desktop bash semicolon ls-l. That's how you list everything and change directory all with one command. So we need to now do a touch bash if else or whatever. .sh. Okay, so enter. Now do nano, our favorite text editor. Okay, hashtag exclamation mark slash bin bash directory equals dot slash hello or whatever. This will check to see if there's a directory called hello. If it's not, then it prints out a message saying directory does not exist. If it does exist, then it prints out the directory does exist. You get the picture. Now we need an if statement. So if space square bracket minus d $sign directory semicolon, and then you write then echo directory does exist. And then your else echo directory does not exist. And then your fi at the end. Save all of this by doing Control X, Y, and then enter. Cap this onto the terminal. So we have a program that checks to see if there's a directory called hello. If it does exist, then it says directory does exist, else directory does not exist. So let's compile this. Chmod +X, and then the name of the file. Now // directory does not exist. Okay, let's make a directory. Hello. Now let's compile it again. But before we do that, ls-l. Yes. Chmod directory does exist. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.